Hello, this is Mohan Tabdar, and we are going to learn about anatomy of HTML element. An HTML element can be divided into three parts. One is opening tag, we can see opening tag, and the second one is closing tag, and the last one is content part. Let me describe all these three elements one by one accordingly. First one is opening tag. Opening tag is a starting tag of HTML element. For example, in our figure we can see p tag, and the p tag is for paragraph element, and this tag is enclosed by opening and closing angle bracket, and this is the opening tag. And the second one is closing tag. The closing tag is for closing element, and it contains the same name as of opening tag, and it also contains a backslash before it. That means it is the ending tag of the paragraph element. And the last one is content part. Content part is this, we can see in the picture. Content part is the main part of HTML element, and it is used to show the content and information to the visitors or users. In our example, my cat is very grumpy is the content of paragraph element. And the HTML element is the group of opening tag, closing tag, and the content part. Now we can do the example of paragraph in code editor, and I'm going to show you how we can write our paragraph tag in code editor. And here I'm going to use Visual Studio Code for code editor. Visual Studio Code, you can see here Visual Studio Code. And in this code editor, let's start to create a new file. Click the new file button and press S to save, or we can go to file menu and we can save and choose a location. I'm going to choose a location. Suppose I have external project drive, and inside this drive there is a HTML folder, and enter a name of the file. Suppose that I'm going to type second.html and hit the save button. And here I'm going to write the basic structure of HTML, and I'm going to write HTML. By typing HTML, the code editor shows us different options, and I'm going to use HTML5 and hit the enter button. And here we have basic structure of HTML document, and it has two parts, two sections, heading sections and body section. We have already learned about the basic structure of HTML document, and it has two sections, heading section and body section. And I'm going to write the paragraph element by pressing a single tab and write P and press enter button. After pressing the enter button, we have paragraph element created. This is the p tag for paragraph, and it is enclosed by single bracket here, single opening angle bracket here, and there is a closing element. It has backslash before it. And here I am going to write text for paragraph element. The text was cat my cat is very grumpy, and save it. After saving the document, and we are going to the file, and here is the second.html. Click here and right click and open it with your favorite browser. My favorite browser is Chrome, and press this. Now we have the text shown in the browser. My cat is very grumpy. Thank you.